Are you a writer or someone who loves to create content? Did you know you can make money by writing and publishing your own books on Amazon Kindle? In today's video, I'll show you how to turn your writing skills into a profitable business using Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. 1. Choose your niche or genre. The first step to making money with Kindle is to choose a niche or genre for your book. Whether it's fiction, nonfiction, self-help, or even educational guides, picking a niche that interests you and has demand is essential. Research trending topics on Amazon and choose a genre that resonates with your audience. 2. Write and edit your book. Next, it's time to write your book. Make sure your content is well-researched, engaging, and offers value to your readers. If you're writing fiction, focus on creating relatable characters and an interesting plot. If you're writing nonfiction, ensure your book provides clear solutions or actionable advice. Once your manuscript is complete, hire a professional editor or use tools like Grammarly to proofread and polish your work. 3. Design an eye-catching cover. Your book's cover design is one of the most important aspects of its success. A visually appealing cover can attract more readers and improve sales. If you're not a designer, you can hire a freelancer from platforms like Fiverr or use tools like Canva to create a professional-looking cover. Make sure your cover reflects the genre and tone of your book. 4. Format your book for Kindle. Before publishing, you need to format your book properly for Kindle. Amazon Kindle uses specific file formats like MOBI or EPUB. You can format your book yourself using tools like Scrivener or Kindle Create, or hire a professional to ensure your book looks great on all devices. 5. Publish your book on Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Now it's time to publish your book. Create an account on Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP. Upload your manuscript and cover and set your price. KDP allows you to choose between two royalty options, 35% or 70%, depending on the pricing and exclusivity of your book. You can also enroll your book in Kindle Unlimited to reach more readers. 6. Market your book. Marketing is key to getting your book noticed. Start by creating an author website or blog to promote your book. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to build your audience and share updates. You can also run Amazon ads to target readers who are interested in your genre. If possible, ask for reviews from early readers or book bloggers to boost credibility. 7. Leverage Kindle Unlimited and promotions. Amazon offers several promotional tools to help you increase sales. Enroll your book in Kindle Unlimited to give subscribers free access to your book, while you earn royalties based on pages read. You can also use KDP Select to offer limited-time discounts or free promotions, which can drive more downloads and reviews. 8. Keep writing and publishing. The more books you have, the more opportunities you have to earn money. To build a steady stream of income, consider writing a series of books or publishing in multiple genres. The more consistent you are with publishing quality content, the more your readership will grow. Writing and publishing can be a fantastic way to earn passive income, whether you're a full-time writer or doing it on the side. With the right strategy, marketing, and dedication, you can turn your ideas into a profitable business.